Alright, look at this. Country style ribs. Cut from the pork butt. Pecan wood chunk. Right in the middle. No heat diffuser plate. Yeah. So let's get you right there. Let's get you right there. Right there. Let's hang you right here. Now leaving some gaps so the heat can go in between. What do you think? Beautiful or what? Beautiful, beautiful. Man. Gotta love it, gotta love it. So I'm gonna close it up. Alright, so I'm gonna let it ride. I'm gonna go for the temp of the Bronco, 250, 275. I'm cool with that. I'm gonna let it cook in the Bronco for about 2 hours. Then I'm gonna check the temp to see where it's at. And if I like the way it look, where the temp's at, around 160, 170, I'm gonna pull them off and I'm gonna put them in a pan. I'm gonna add that beer. I'm gonna add that Texas pepper jelly and then some honey. I'm gonna stir it up and place some of the ribs in that pan so that you get tender, just tender, bite through, delicious, a lot of flavor. So that's what I'm gonna go for. Check it after 2 hours. So let's get to cooking. All right. Oh yeah, they're looking good. Oh man, they're looking delicious. Man. Alright, I'm just gonna get some reading. Yeah. I'm gonna let it go for maybe another 30 minutes and then I'm gonna probably put them in the pan. Yep, but looking good. Alright, let's crack it open. Let's just pour it all in there. We got that one. We're gonna go for one right now. Just mix it in there. Yeah, just like that. There's bacon over here. Like that. Alright. Look at that. Beautiful. That's how I hooked it. That'll stay. They are beautiful looking. Alrighty. Alright. Close it up. Let the wood chunks lighten up. I'm going to go ahead and just get a couple more brew in there. You don't do too much. Just like that. And then I'll finish the rest. Just give it some dabs of some honey. Yeah. Just like that. Cover it up. Get the heat diffuser plate back on, and then the cooking grate. Set it right on right there. Let it go for about, let's check for about an hour. Close it up and continue on. Alright. So, let's get them out of the pan. It's going to be hot. Oh man, they smell so good. Man. I'm gonna place them back on so they can firm up a bit. Oh yeah. Looks delicious. Alright, so I'm gonna let it go for about maybe 30 minutes to firm up a bit. Then I'm gonna eat. Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna take them off. Yeah, they're ready. This will be some good eating. And I'm hungry. Right. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it rest and then I'm gonna eat some. Man, that is beautiful. I may not even eat them. Right? Alright. It's time to choose. And I choose you. Alright. Just to keep it up. Oh. Oh my. It smells so good. It smells so good and now I'm ready to taste it. Alright, so it's nighttime now. It's starting to get chilly out here. But the food finished just in time. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my God. I just can't. I know I'll do this to y'all every time. I gotta eat in front of you. Someone's gotta do it, right? My God. Just look at that. Whoa, almost dropped it. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Man. You just bite right through it. That is so good. Oh my God. I'm telling you, all it is, it's country style ribs, but it's a slice from the pork butt. That's all it is. It's sliced like this. And if you got the Bronco, hang them. Just hang them. You won't be disappointed. And you don't even gotta put them in a pan and add beer and liquid, barbecue sauce and all that. You can just let it go like that in the Bronco. Just hang them. Man. It took a total of 4 hours. I'm sorry, but it's so delicious. Bronco. It's always doing well for me. If you ain't got a Bronco, get yourself a Bronco and let me know about it. But let me know in the comments, what do you think? Is it good enough for you? Or do you think I could do better? If you think it's good, let me know. If you think I could do better, let me know how I can do better on it. Man. Alright. I gotta let y'all go. Because I'm hungry. And we gotta eat, right? So, as always, thanks for coming by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Oh, this is delicious. Oh, yeah.